Hey guys, welcome back to Nelly's Creations, and today we're making sweet and sour salmon bites. Yummy. Alright guys, let's get started. This recipe is really easy to make. It can be ready in less than 30 minutes. Okay, so you want to get some salmon fillet and wash it really well and pat dry it to remove the extra water using paper towels. Then you also want to remove the skin on the salmon, and then you're gonna cut the salmon into small cubes. Next, we want to season it. Okay, so I'm placing it in a bowl and I'm gonna season it using my all-purpose seasoning blend and salt. That's it. If you don't have all-purpose seasoning, you can add like onion and garlic powder, salt, black pepper. Mix that really well into the salmon, and next we're gonna add in 1 egg yolk. Okay, so only the egg yolk, you're gonna add that in there. And also I added a little bit of cooking wine. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will list all the measurement and description there for you guys. Okay, and you're gonna mix the egg yolk and the cooking wine into the salmon. Next, I'm adding in a little bit of cornstarch. Fully coat the salmon pieces in the cornstarch mixture, and now we're gonna fry them up. So I'm placing my frying pan over medium-high heat, and I added some oil into the pot. Once the oil gets nice and hot, we're gonna fry up the salmon bites until it's crispy. I would say for about 5 minutes, and then while that's going, I'm gonna start making the sauce. So to make the sweet and sour sauce, I mixed together ketchup, vinegar, you can use rice vinegar or regular white vinegar, and some soy sauce. Once the salmon is finished frying, you're going to place it on paper towels so the extra oil can drip. And then using that same frying pan, I threw out the extra oil and I added the sauce back into the pot, and then you're going to add the salmon in there. Fully toss the salmon in the pot with the sauce to make sure it's coated into the yummy sweet and sour sauce. You can add some sliced red onions as well and simmer in the sauce for about 3 minutes or so. For extra sauce, add a little bit of water and let it simmer for a few more minutes and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye guys.